Welcome to ISRAA'S world. Today we are going to show you another pet African lovebird. What is the name of the African lovebird?
Lutino.
And we will show you in this video how to feed the baby chicks of the Lutino African lovebird.
Yeah, the African lovebird, little of them, there's eggs and it hatched, it come a little bigger. So tomorrow we are going to do the flying video for the end.
And now we are going to tell you guys 8 facts about the African lovebird. Fact number 1.
How did the bird get their name?
The birds get their name from their life-lasting bond of mates. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fact number 2. Isra, where are the birds found, the African lovebirds?
They're found in Africa.
Africa?
Yeah.
They are found in Africa, Madagascar, and savanna and forest. Yes. Fact number 3. Isra, how many eggs do they lay?
They lay 4 to 6 eggs.
4 to 6 eggs? That's so many eggs.
Yeah.
And our birds laid 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Actually, they laid 4, but only 2 hatched. Yeah. And fact number 4.
How we know how to know the gender of the bird, Isa?
We know the gender of the bird by taking a feather of the bird and sending it to the DNA test.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, because the male and female looks the same, so we cannot identify the.
Yeah, also we like the finches and
the African lovebird.
Yeah, we like all the birds we like.
Yeah. Now fact number 5.
The lovebirds are really active like me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so active and the lovebirds are so active also. Now
Yeah.
fact number 6. Lovebirds like enclosed spaces because they live in big tree holes. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's so big, they are so active and they need to be flying so long.
Yeah, it's so giant and so big.
Yeah, our cage is also big. Now fact number 7.
7.
Isra, how long do the lovebirds live?
10 to 15 years, Isa.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
Fact number 8.
What we feed for the lovebirds, Isa?
Corn,
Hmm?
mint leaf,
Yes.
fruits,
Okay.
and their foods like seeds, like that,
Yeah.
and nuts.
Yeah, also they like to eat flower seeds.
Yeah, they like so many seeds.
Yeah.
And now we are going to show you.
I'm going to show you where we bought the birds.
Yeah, we are going to show you where we bought the birds.
Let's do it.
How much? 2 rabbits.
2 rabbits 50 dirham. 125. 25.
Isa, look at Macaw.
Yeah, it's a beautiful bird, Isra.
I want to buy this Lutino.
cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.
This is a falcon, there is a parrot, there is lots of things and lots of parrots and birds. They're very beautiful and you have to see this. Go in there.
Te traigo música, 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 música de la República. Ajá.
He said, look at this white cat. This is so good.
It's so beautiful. Those also beautiful birds, yes?
Yes, there's a brown cat. Do you know that?
Yeah?
Yeah, there is brown cats. You have to see this.
Here we buy the food for the pets and animals.
Yeah, there is rabbit food, fish food, bird fooding,
And nesting and all the necessary things for the animals.
yes.
Now you saw where we bought the birds.
Yeah.
Now we are going to show you what. Now we are going to show you how to feed the baby African lovebird.
Yeah, we're going to show you how to feed the little baby now.
It's cute. Yes, so cute.
Yeah, also the next video we're going to fly the birds in our house.
Yes.
So you can see our baby bird. If you like this video, hit that bell icon and subscribe and have a big thumbs up. We have a good video and you have to see it so many times. You also have to type our video ISRAA'S is a goal. That's our video. We have so many videos you can see.
Yeah. So that's it for the video.
Bye!
Fact number 3.